Hey guys, welcome back to my channel to go with Dynasty, and I'm back again in another video. Today I'm coming with a banger. I'm coming to you guys with a new style, a sleek style I call it. Sorry guys, that's my fire alarm that's ringing. I hate that, but anyway, today I'm gonna be doing a crimped look. Just stay tuned because this hair is beautiful. This hair was sent to me by a company called GossipHair. I will link everything in the description bar below. But yeah, just watch me slay this hair. This is like a how-to tutorial, but it's also a how to watch me slay this hair or that kind of thing. So yeah, but don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at Dynasty Luxe Lounge. Period. Follow my shop at Shop Deluxe. Period. Period. That's all I gotta say. But yeah, let me continue to this video. Hope you guys enjoy it, and please don't forget to comment your likes. So guys, when styling this hair, I actually had no problems whatsoever. With the shedding, there was little to no shedding. There wasn't shedding at all. With like the wig application, it was very good. I enjoyed styling this wig. With the crimps, as you can see, that this is a 4x4 lace closure. It is very low maintenance, as I would say, because I'm a hairstylist, so I would know. It's very low maintenance, and you can glue it with lace glue, or you can glue it with Got2b. It's a very different versatile styles. Even though I styled this today in the center parting, you can always style it in the side. So sorry about the fire alarm, guys. Or in the updo, whatever you feel is best for you. But it's very versatile. As you can see, it takes heat very well. It didn't burn, it didn't cinder, it didn't have that weird burning smell, as you know. I did wash this hair prior to styling, and the hair still retained its texture, its volume. It still was good. And I washed it because I always wash my wigs, but there was actually no smell as well when the package came, so that is a good thing. But yeah, as I said, I'll leave everything in the description bar below, where to purchase this wig and more. But yeah, Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Join the Mafia gang, join the Dynasty gang. Sorry again for the fire alarm, but yeah, stay tuned for more content. Peace.